Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set credit card paper size in Excel. So guys, this is very easy to insert. So guys, this is very easy to set it. So firstly you need to click on here this page layout. Now click on here size. Now scroll down and find this credit card. This is in the last, this scroll at the last. Now you find this photo credit card you see here, so just click on it to select it, and you cannot find here, so just click on here more paper size. Now paper size, click on it. Now scroll down and find this credit card. If you find, so select it. Now click on OK. That's it. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.